Projections are in tonight on what we can expect for algae on Lake Erie, and it's going to be worse than last summer. Tim Miller shows us just what to expect.
Not the worst, but in the top 5 largest algae blooms over the past 20 years. That's how a University of Toledo researcher sees this algae bloom forecast. So how will it affect you? A beautiful but choppy day on the lake this afternoon, and while there is no toxic algae growing yet, it will start in late July or early August. NOAA just released its latest forecast and predicted an algae bloom in the 6 to 8 range on a scale up to 10. NOAA said heavy rains in May caused large phosphorus loading into the lake, which algae feeds on. June has seen just average loads, but thunderstorms this week could add to it. Dr. Tom Bridgeman of UT and the Lake Erie Center says this means we will see a large bloom. Not record-breaking, but one to watch closely. He thinks the chance of it being so toxic to cause a drinking water crisis like the one in 2014 is almost non-existent because of increased monitoring and better procedures at Toledo's water treatment plant. But the algae bloom could affect your day at the beach, fishing, and tourism.
If you're out on the water, you'll see it. If it's a calm day, the blue-green algae will come to the surface and form a surface scum. This will happen sometime in early August or late July. It may cover several hundreds of square miles of western Lake Erie, and it'll be unsightly.
We will get a much more updated look at the algae on July 13th. That's when NOAA releases its seasonal forecast, and it will be thoroughly examined by the Ohio Sea Grant and Stone Lab. On Lake Erie, Tim Miller,